A classic. You know what it is? I'll listen to it. Yes, it's an old Polini. Found it in my workshop from 20 years ago. Very first Vespa I had. This was on it. You know, keeping all the exhausts. Exhausts are like handbags for girls, isn't it? Funny. Amazing, really good racing exhaust. You know, the shape, resonance and the exhaust and the expansion exhaust and whatever. It is really good. Yeah, it's not. This is the worst exhaust I have ever used. It throttles every engine. It was never meant to be a racing exhaust. As someone who has a lot of old school 80s, 90s knowledge told me, that was never supposed to be a racing exhaust. It's just an optical racing exhaust, but it was intended to be an original exhaust, power-wise. So just optic of a racing, but still original power, and that is how it performs. Here we have a classic. What does the classic look like? It looks cut open. Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. And it even opens. Ah! One hand filming. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's just nothing. That's an 80mm hose, and this is an empty damper. There's nothing inside. And this one we should, oh yes, look at this. We can open this one. Ooh, ooh. No wonder this exhaust cannot perform. It's not an expansion. It's not an expansion chamber exhaust. It's just an original exhaust with some chambers. First one, second, third one, and let's call it the fourth one. So there is no performance when it is blocked like this. And it is on purpose, because it just shall be an original exhaust in the form of an expansion racing exhaust, but it's not. Don't buy it. It's really